Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card on Chipotle. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chipotle.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Chipotle website where you can first of all log into your account if you wish to by clicking on the sign in button and create a new account if you don't have one already by clicking on create an account. Now you can either log into your account first or you can directly scroll all the way down and then click on the gift cards menu. Once you click on this, you will be shown various different kinds of gift cards that are available within Chipotle. Now go ahead and click on the kind of gift card that you want and you will be taken into the further menu where you can customize your gift card. Go ahead and choose your gift card type and then click on next step. Then simply click on how much fun you want to add to this gift card and then choose the number of gift card that you want to buy. After choosing your gift card, you can also choose to set this as a gift by entering the to and from section. And if this is for you, you can also add a personal message. You can also have it schedule delivery by entering the address, the name, phone number, city, province, postal code, and the entire address of the person who you want to send it to. Then simply choose your delivery type and then click on the Add to Cart button. You will then be taken forth into the payment finalization page. After you finalize your payment, you will receive your physical gift card through mail or e-gift card through your email if you have selected that kind. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy gift card from Chipotle. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.